Alright, y'all, we finna build some smothered chicken. A little different this time. This is smothered with cheese and bacon and onions and all that. I forgot to thaw it out, so it's gonna take a minute. We'll be back with you in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we finna get it seasoned up. We're gonna put some paprika on there. A little bit of garlic powder. Lemon pepper. Onion powder. And salt. And then we're gonna flip them dudes over. Here we go, flipping them. And we're gonna season the other side of them just like we seasoned the first side of them. Gonna let that cook down for a minute. We'll check back with you in a minute. We turned a few of them over a while ago while y'all wasn't looking. But these are starting to get a little bit thawed out. So I'm gonna take them out of here and cube them up and put them back in here once they're cubed up, because I need them cut up in little bite-sized pieces. We'll be back with y'all in just a minute. We got all the chicken out of the way. We're gonna throw some of this off in there. Y'all know what that is, special ingredient. We just gonna throw that off in there right now. I wanna cut it up just a little bit. I'm gonna use this knife I've been using.
Machete.
My kids said it's a machete. It might be a machete, but works great in the kitchen. I use it all the time for potatoes and eggplants, stuff like that. But I'm using it on this bacon right now and the chicken. So y'all watch this cook and make sure it don't burn, okay? We're gonna throw these onions off in here too, because I like my onions done. I don't know how many onions that is. It's a bowl full of them. We had some onions left over from a birthday party earlier, so we're gonna just use all them onions. Just cook leftovers, you know. We're gonna stir that around and all them seasonings in the bottom and just let it cook up. I had to throw this chicken back in here with this bacon and onions. I got it chopped up with my little kitchen knife that y'all saw a while ago. I just threw that piece on the floor. We didn't want to eat it no way. I thought we was having company to eat with us, and that's why I had that piece in there, and they ain't staying for supper, so that was their piece. We'll be back with y'all after this is more done. We got our chicken about done, bacon's about done. Probably is all the way done, actually. We're gonna cut down the heat. I'm gonna strain a can of mushrooms and throw them off in here. They go strain the mushrooms. Throw them in there. That'll absorb some flavors. Throw them in there. Throw them in there.
You cannot jump out of my hand.
We're gonna give them a little stir. My kids in there playing with the balloons from the party earlier. So y'all probably hear a ruckus in the background. It's all right. I've still got a house at this moment. Just at this moment. I don't know how that's gonna pan out in the long run. We're gonna take some shredded cheese and just kind of sprinkle over the top of it. Let that melt through there. If y'all hear people whispering in the background, they just trying not to get caught on camera. We'll try to get some even coverage with this cheese. Is there such thing as too much cheese? Now that we got that on there, we're gonna put this top back on here. The cheese is gonna melt all to the top and get stuck on there. We'll scrape it off, put it back in the meal, and eat it later. Y'all have a good night. Like, comment, subscribe, say some words at the bottom of the video.